install this because you're not authorised.
I can't install it because I'm not authorised.
No, it says here, to be installed only by an authorised person.
Okay, well, I authorise myself. How's that? I dub thee authorised.
There you go.
Sir authorised.
You've now been authorised. You can now. Is it easy? It'll hurry in the box.
So we had a bit of an accident in the toilet. We had a pipe. Decided it wanted to leak a little bit. Actually looked worse than what it is. G'day, my name's Jim. A few weeks ago, a wall of water washed away my town, drowning 22 people in their own homes and cars. People woke up in the middle of the night with water around their beds, 20 minutes later the top of their door frames. The water was so deep it went over the roof of my house, wiping out everything we own. On top of that, the insurance company told us to get stuffed. This is the story of me and my missus trying to rebuild our life from scratch. Okay, well, the house is a hive of activity at the moment. I have the better half over there, and I have got my two besties here making lots of noise.
No, beat safety gear, common sense.
So, we're doing up this room. Yeah, you're right, go for it. Well, we're finally up to the top coat of blackjacking, and this is pretty much what we do. There's before and after. Remember, that's all sealed in behind and everything like that. Well, pretty bloody close to, and we've just got our beautiful blackjack sitting here. Now, I don't get paid by these bastards or anything, so what a pity I didn't, but I like this a lot better than a lot of other shit. Just fucking spread that on very liberally. This end up any joints, fill them right up like such, and we just keep going along. Beautiful, very beautiful. All into this corner. Get this wonky shit like this. It's been watered down heaps too, by the way. And in there she goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Oh, beautiful. Do over those nails and shit, screws, whatever the fuck we decide to put in there at the time. And just fucking spread that out. Feather it, they call it. Feathering. Oh, very nice. Very fucking hot in here. Alright, well, I must get on with it, I'm sorry. Straight down on the floor.
Looks like very tasty chocolate milk.
It looks like frosting, bloody. My mum used to put on cakes with my sister.
Just a bigger version of it.
Righto, you can shove some more down on there for me, I think.
Then again, I've used some squeegees that are brand new, and the first time I use them.
Well, I thought I'd show you the bathroom before I put my footprints all through it. So that's how the waterproofing turned out. Very nice. I'm replacing the toilet anyway, so not worried about getting shit all over it. Oh, g'day. It is about, I don't know, 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and what we're doing is we're just bodging up some walls here, so I have at least one room in this house that can be insulated, because like it doesn't get extraordinarily cold in Australia. We're just about to get into winter, and what's a bet? Because I've got no fucking insulation and no walls or anything like that, it's going to be the most brutal fucking winter ever on record, for sure. What's a bet? We're going to freeze our fucking asses off, so doing my best just to freaking do up one room. Have it fucking insulated. I can't do the outside of it yet, so I'm just going to put up a barrier and stuff like that, and then we're basically going to move in and start putting up some walls slowly and shit, do that. We have Belinda's mother donated her a brand new cooker, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much, Mum. And we got Nico, been working his ass off here for about 3 or 4 days now. I thank him very, very much for that. And we got Blake, who decided to turn up and help us out. Thank you, Blake. You're a legend. And yeah, so I don't know. That's what's going on, and just waiting for the bathroom to dry still after our little pipey thing. We had a drip. Yeah. He's the one fucking working on the house. Anyway, so we had a little drip, and then I fucked with it, and I forgot that the chamber was still full of water, so when I undid it to check the seals and stuff, she just dropped everywhere. So that's alright, it'll dry, it's drying up. It'll be dry by tomorrow, and then I can finish what I'm doing with it. Gonna replace the toilet, so it'll be a brand new unit. By the way, what I do in my house as an owner builder is me doing what I do. I'm not telling anybody, I'm not instructing, I'm not showing you how to do shit, I'm not telling you this is the way to do stuff, right? This is me, owner builder, doing it myself the way I want to do my house. So there you go. There's the right way, the wrong way, and the way I do it. So keep a note of that. Right, better get on with it. Alright, so this is what we've got going. This is going to be my feature wall. Pretty much what we've got going is we've got the sarking going, which is embedded against the outside wall with some expanding spoof, and then put in some pillow stuffing, which is basically what it feels like. It's just like synthetic fucking wool. Looks like what comes in a very cheap pillow. Once that goes over, then we put some more stocking over the top, but because I can't afford wall covering. But I went down and got some black plastic today, some builder's plastic, so that's going to go up instead of the sarking because the builder's plastic is cheaper. So that'll be fine. I'll just leave this as a feature wall for the time being, nice and blue, and all the rest of it will be all black. So, very slowly getting there. A lot of work. Oh, well, that's me done for the day. Got a reasonable amount done.
Techno.